morning, good morning, good morning. All right. What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody had a wonderful evening and an even better day today so far. As always, guys, if you could just let me know how the music is, that would be amazing. So I know that you guys can actually hear me over the music, as always.
And then we also have, obviously,
let's see here. I am in US30 buys, guys. I entered about a little less than an hour ago. Anticipating price to push up quite a bit here today. So we'll see how we do. Today is gonna be a good day. Say it with me. Today is going to be a good day. Today's gonna be a great day. Today's gonna be a great day. We got a little win streak going here. Trying to keep it pushing, keep it going here. Yeah, it's nice. This is nice. All right. Adjust myself here. Got kind of a good night's rest last night. Kinda, not the best I've ever had, but it's all right. We press on. We keep pushing. We press on, because it could always be worse, right? Could always be worse. So, first things first. Forex Factory, and we're in the clear. We are in the clear today, which is a huge shocker, because every day for the last like 2 weeks we've had news like almost every day. Something, even if it wasn't anything crazy, we've had something come across our path trying to derail us a little bit here. But today it looks like we are pretty much smooth sailing. It looks like pre-London had a little bit of CPI news for the pound, but this is crazy that New York, they finally decided to leave New York alone for a day. A day, right? So nothing crazy. And then we have some AUD news tonight for Asian session. So, but that won't really concern us. So that's good. That's good. So let me go over these US30 buys that I am in. So real quick, guys, real quick, I gotta say this. I gotta say it, because I just gotta say it. Yesterday, those of you who remember, I was in sells and I got out here. I was in sells yesterday, anticipating the market to continue bearish, which it did not. And I got out here. I had entries around here, some here, and here. Actually, no, I closed out on these entries and I let these run. And these positions are the ones that I closed out here. And I got flack for it. Charlene, why did you close? Why did you close? Why did you close? And we talked about it in my private group as well. And guys, had I not got out of that trade, what would have happened to me? Not saying I'm the most perfect trader ever, where I was able to get out of a selling position on a wick position after it went bullish. But had I held that position looking to gain more, after I had made well over $20,000 on this move right here. On this move right here. Okay? Close out these positions at 8,000. Close out these positions at 12. Right here inside this little circle here. But many of you wanted me to hold to down here, when in reality, we don't know if it's going to go down there. I don't know if price is going to push up here. I'm not holding till price pushes up here. I'd like to, but I was okay with my profits, and I got out when I felt comfortable. And it just so happens I got out at the most perfect time, literally at the perfect time. And price has yet to come back down here. So when I tell you guys, I mean, I know this is just one example. However, when I tell you guys there's a reason why I trade the way I do, it's because I didn't start trading yesterday, folks. Okay? I scalp because I have a high win rate with it. When I hold my moves, my win rate goes kaput. Okay? I'm not afraid to admit that, you know, I'm not the best intraday trader or swing trader. Actually, I suck at swing trading. I'm not the best. I freaking suck at it. I think in the entire 5.5 years that I've been trading, I think I've caught maybe, I could probably count on one hand how many 100+ pips I've caught. On purpose, not on accident. Some I've caught on accident, on purpose. I can count probably on one hand. And I'm okay with that. I'm just fine with that. Because what's my motto? It's not about anything but winning. I'm just trying to get a win. I don't care to catch a massive move, because for what? You know what I mean? So I just wanted to point that out to you guys, because I noticed that it happens a lot, because so many people are in here, so many people are giving their opinions and their 2 cents on a setup, forgetting that we're all individuals. We all have our own preferences. We have our own levels of risk. And just because you want to do something or see something doesn't mean the next person does. So we can't forget that we're all trading for ourselves. We're all learning together. We're trading together. We're learning together. We're interacting with each other. But at the same time, we're trading for ourselves, not for anybody else. So whatever style of trader you are, I don't care if your style is catching 2 pips every day. I could care less. That is your style. That is what works for you. And don't let anyone tell you how you should be trading, what you should be trading. You should be holding, not holding, doing this, doing that. Do what works for you. For you. That's the purpose of backtesting. That's the purpose of studying. That's the purpose of, you know, getting your feet wet to try to understand what it is you're doing. Because at the end of the day, everybody's not here every day. Some days you're going to be by yourself. It's just going to be you and the charts. Now you can't listen to all that outside noise. It's not there. You can only listen to yourself and what you see happening on the charts. So use your best judgment and go with what works for you. Take data for what works for you. Oh, you know what? New York session, kind of a little too volatile for me. I take more losses than I'd like to in New York. So you know what? I'm going to switch on over to Asian. Asian is a little bit more chill for me. Or you know what? Asian is a little too slow for me. I want a little bit more volume, but not as much volatility. Let me see what London got going on. Okay? And then test it out for a couple months. Not a couple days. Not a couple weeks even. A couple months. That's what it takes. Because the conditions are ever changing throughout the markets. Ever changing. So what works in one season may have some hiccups in the next. And then I see some of you guys beat yourselves up when you go through a losing streak or whatever the case, not realizing that, hey, you are doing what you're supposed to do. Sometimes the markets just aren't on your side. And that is okay. That is A-okay, guys. that's when you just sit on your hands and you just chill. Because I can promise y'all, if I wasn't trading US30 and I was trading gold, and gold was doing the nonsense that it's been doing the last several weeks here, I promise you, I'd be sitting here, I'd be pretty frustrated, I ain't gonna lie. But I would not be taking reckless trades just because. I would not. I would not. Okay? So, trade what works for you, not for your best friend, not for your sister, not for the trader over there that you know on Instagram. Trade for you. For you. Because at the end of the day, it's about you. It ain't about them. It's about you. So, since I'm in this US30 buy, let me go over this trade real quick and then we'll jump on over to gold. Let me glance at AU real quick. AU is moving up, but slow as hell. Nice structure though, I ain't gonna lie. That's some nice structure there, but moving slow. Anyway, so I think gold is bullish. Why does it keep doing that? I think gold is bullish. I feel it is bullish based on what's happening here. So let's look here. I think this move is going to be corrected here. I think we're going to come up to at least these highs here at some point this week. If not this week, then maybe next week, who knows? But we have some equal highs here that need to be tested. We have equal highs here that have yet to be tested. Okay, equal high that was tested. Kind of a head and shoulders situation going on here, looking like it is. But this is why this is important. This spot is important here because what price does here is going to be quite pretty telling. If we break, then for sure we're going to push up and retest these highs up here. But if we don't, we're probably going to come back down. Don't really see us coming back down. We could, but I prefer to see a little bit more bullish pressure here. Something like this. This is what I want to see forming with US30. So we're going to watch it and see it. But for now, structure is bullish, and that is why I am looking for buys. This is a low. Went ahead and took buys. Stops are below, and we're looking to take price on up. Okay, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, I don't gotta complicate it. It's not hard. Just look for the same confirmations every day. You'll be fine. Grab your move, get in, get out, come back next day, do it all over again. That's my recipe, okay, guys? That's my SIMPLEFX, SIMPLEFX recipe for success, for profitability. Okay. Now let's look at gold real quick. I'm just gonna delete everything here on gold because gold looks a little messy right now. All right, let me look at the weekly real quick just to get an idea of something here. So the weekly has already left the bottom wick. Not the biggest. We didn't really retest this candle here. We completely reversed this move here on gold, which is cool, which is nice, but we did that in 1 week. This drop took 2 weeks. This drop here and then this drop. But as you can see, this weekly candle lost momentum after this candle here. This one opened up with no bearish momentum because there's no wick at the bottom. And then it completely went bullish and took off. Now this area that gold is in now is a tricky area because there's really no clean moves here. It's kind of, even though the structure is bearish, it's not a clean drop or a clean push up. So there's a lot of exhaustion here. So we could have some struggles here before we push up, if we push up, or we may reject and start retesting these candles here. Okay, sorry for the mess, guys. It's just the way my brain works. All right, let's look at the daily. Gold is nicely bullish. I'm loving how everything's moving with very good volume here today. We have a low there. We have another low here. Now, why am I marking off the lows, guys? Because when the market is bullish, the first thing you do in the morning, or when you come to your session, guys, is you identify the trend. identify the trend. Pull your chart in, zoom in, look at all of this. Take the big picture, that big picture there, right? And then you simplify it to from here to here, little picture, okay? And you're looking to see, hey, what is the market doing here? What could it possibly do? How can I catch a move? And what happened prior to that so that I could anticipate what could potentially happen, okay? There's a back and forth going on between traders where some people say, well, you're predicting the markets or you're reacting to the markets. I think it's both. You're doing both to some degree, okay? If you're taking buys and you entered buys, you're predicting it's gonna go up. So those people that say, well, you're not predicting, you're reacting, it's relative, okay? To me, I think you're doing both, okay? You're reacting and you're predicting to what you think is gonna happen. Now, I predicted that, right, predicted. I'm analyzing that the market is going bullish. When you trade gold, guys, you have to follow the trend. You have to increase. God, I can't talk today. Increase your win rate. Follow the trend. Follow the freaking trend. Wait for price to come back to your major areas and then look for more confluences at those areas and then execute on the trade. So if I say, hey, I think the trend is bullish, well, we don't enter buys at highs, we enter them at lows. So if we enter at lows, I need to mark off my major lows because those are the areas I want price to come back to give me the best entries and the best risk to reward. That's why. See where gold is now? There's no trade. If you didn't enter down here, you missed it. You missed it. Straight up. Take it on the chin. You missed it. If you enter somewhere here, you are chasing the trade. You have a little dab of FOMO happening there, and you're chasing a move. In which case, where the hell is your stop loss? Is it in a safe place, like down here somewhere? Because if it is, your risk to reward better be on point. Because what are you going for? And even if you're the type of trader that has a negative risk reward style of trading, I mean, I guess you can still be profitable depending on how big your stop losses are, or your losses are, I mean. But why would you want to enter here? Why would you want to when you could potentially find yourself in drawdown? Only for the market to take you out and then eventually continue bullish if you would have just waited for the market to come back to an area that it's already told you it's come back to multiple times. That's why I say analyze what happened prior, because what happened prior will tell you what's happening. The market told us 1 time, 2 times that it can come back to this area. Who says it can't come back a third? And if the market does take off, who cares? Because every missed opportunity is a setup for another opportunity. What goes up must come down, right? You can catch a sell or retracement. Yeah, it's against the trend, but you're not holding it very long. You're in and out, if that's your style. If it's not your style, then don't take it, okay? The point I'm trying to make to you guys here is the key to success in trading is being patient. Being patient. Patience will help you with everything. It will help you with your risk management. It will help you with your psychology. It will help you manage drawdown. It will help you with your confidence. It will make you a lethal trader. A lethal trader. You know why? Because you now have the ability to do what most people cannot. You have the ability to wait when most people can't, because they got ants in their pants, they got their panties all in a bunch. They feel like, ah, shit, I missed the move, I gotta get in right now, and if I don't get in, it's gonna fly 10,000 pips and I'm gonna miss out on this entire move. For Pete's sake, guys, just have some patience. Promise you. Promise you. You don't over leverage. You don't overtrade. You don't take 88 trades a day. And you'll be fine. And you embrace losses. Embrace losses. Don't try to avoid them, because they're gonna happen. You can't avoid them. They're gonna happen. Driving down the street, you're bound to hit a red light somewhere. You're bound to hit a red light. Okay? So don't try to avoid them. So our gold is bullish currently. We need to break this high. Where gold is now, it needs to break that high. Either that or we're testing. This is a 4-hour high. So gold needs to break this high to continue bullish. Now 8:30 is gonna roll around. Maybe volume, market open volume will give us some volume and the market can push. And then you can look for the market to potentially target these highs here. And you're looking at about a 70 or so pip push, something like that. Maybe a little more. All right. So where price is important. It's important. If price breaks here, I don't think we're going to pull back. I think we're going to continue up and then maybe get a retracement after that. Okay. But other than that, that's what I'm seeing on gold. Above this area, continuations. But if we break this 4-hour low here, then there's a high chance that price could come down to retest these lows down here. In which case you would have a big drop. A nice big drop there. Okay. So that's gold. I need to drop an update in Q-tips about AU, but it's retracing nicely. I needed to hit this area. I'm not in this trade, guys. I'm not in this trade. This is a paper trade that I took because I did an analysis on Q-tips. I said it's gonna retrace, which it's doing here. Not the fastest retracement, but it's nonetheless it is. I'm looking for price to come to these highs and potentially reject to continue the trend. AU is on a bearish trend, hence my trend line here. Okay, boom, 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 boom. That's what I'm looking for. This is the overall move here. This move right here is the overall move. Okay, so I'm looking to see when it's gonna retrace inside this area here. All right. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, guys. So, it's the topic of the day, guys. What are we talking about today? What we got going on today? We're gonna talk about how badass my new car is, or what? Cause yo, let me tell y'all, I took it for a nice little spin last night. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me tell y'all. Sorry guys, I gotta sit here eating lemon with some honey to see if I can soothe this cough here. This guy I went to see, this like I think he's a what do you call those people, holistic doctor, and he, like, last time I got really sick, he gave me this concoction that tasted like shit, but it really helped. And then he said, every night I want you to cut open half a lemon and eat it pour some honey in it and just eat it like it's yogurt. And I was like, really? He's like, yeah. And I did that for like a day or two and my cough went away. So I'm giving it another try here. Yeah, so guys, I took it for a spin last night and man, it's so fun to drive. Oh my god. I test drove it before I bought it, and it's very fast. It's very, very fast. It's almost too fast. It's too fast because I did some pulls last night. I went on the highway and I did some pulls last night, and it feels cool. It feels cool as hell. Seeds. Feels cool as hell. So when you do a pull on it, it's so powerful. It's such a powerful engine that the car literally throws you back. If you're not sitting like, you know, secure in the car, holding onto the steering wheel, and you go to push it and you punch it, that thing jerks you back. Like, it throws you back into your seat and you can't even control it. It's not like you can be like, okay, I'm gonna sit here stiff, I'm gonna punch it, and I'm just gonna try to No, you can't. You can't. As soon as you press that thing, it is gone. And it's a really cool experience. It really is. I never knew you could have so much fun driving those cars. Driving a Lamborghini, guys, is, I now see the real allure behind them. I do. Because I drove a Huracan once. And God, I wasn't impressed. It was fast. It was very fast. I think I hit 130 or 140 on the highway, and that I think I shitted on myself that day. I'm pretty sure I was scared shitless that day. But it wasn't the most comfortable car. The seats, it wasn't comfortable. It wasn't a comfortable drive. And that car was just a head turner. Like when I went to put gas in it and stuff, people would like look and like, oh my God, yeah, they're definitely head turners for sure. They get your attention. Yesterday, I was with my video guy. We were vlogging at the dealership, and there was a tow truck that pulled up. And the tow truck guy, we were getting footage of me revving it and hearing the engine and the downpipes and all that. And the tow truck guy saw me. He saw the woman behind the wheel. So he jumps out of the car and he's smiling at me. And he's like, yeah, because we were revving it really loud. It was really loud. And so we stop, whatever. We're like laughing and we're talking. And he walks up and he's like, hey, what do you do for a living? You know, what do you do? And I said, oh, I'm a day trader. He said, oh man, everybody's doing that. I want to get into that. I want to be able to afford one of these one day. And I said, hey, you never know. You never know. So that was pretty cool. And then I might close out here pretty soon. This is some good profit here. I ain't gonna lie. So we leave. You know, we had fun, took some pictures, had some good times there. They gave me all these goodies. Like they gave me a t-shirt, a jacket, a hat, the toy car thing, a bunch of goodies, wallet, card holder, all this cool Lamborghini shit, and a car cover. They tried to sell it to me, but I was like, I'm not paying $500 for a car cover. Like, no, bro. I was like, nah, it's cool. And then the guy, the manager that I was with at the time, he's like, nah, just give it to her. Give it to her. No, we're not gonna make her pay for it. Just give it to her. And for as much money as you're buying these cars for, they should be just giving you shit, you know? So yeah, they treat you like royalty in there. They were real nice to me, really accommodating. I really liked the way they treated me in there and stuff. And wait till you guys see it. I'm gonna drop it today after the live. It's gonna be nice. The vlog probably might be out next week. Might be out next week or so. I'm not sure. But it was great. It was a great experience for sure. So yeah, I had fun with it last night. I didn't get home till like 11. I think I left the dealership at 6:45ish, almost 7. Went out to eat and then took it for a spin, and I got home around 11 last night. And I was low-key annoyed because I couldn't trade Asian session last night. I wanted to trade Asian last night because Asian been so good lately. But it's okay. I want to close right here. Honestly, I do. I'm up almost 7. I want to close. And you know what? I think I might. And I did. How you like them apples? 6K day. Because let me tell y'all why I closed, okay? Thank you. On the congrats on the car. Thank you. So let me tell y'all why I closed this trade here. How come I didn't hold to at least like maybe here or here? First off, I'm not being greedy. 6K day is great, okay guys? $6,000 times 5 days a week. That's $30,000 in one freaking week, okay? That's 1 week. It used to take me 6 months to make that in my last job. Okay, that's first and foremost. Okay, now I'm on a win streak. Now there is a sense of psychology behind when you're on a win streak and when you're on a losing streak, and I will explain. When you're on a win streak, okay, because we won today, I won today, yesterday, Monday, and Friday last week. Thursday was that ugly loss that I took. But Friday we made some of it back. Monday, good. Tuesday, yesterday was amazing. Today, amazing. Not a 5-figure day, but still amazing, right? When you're on a win streak, you're anxious to keep it going. So you're more anxious to to close your winning positions, to take your wins and run with it, because you don't want to risk taking a loss or even breaking even. You don't want to do that. So I'm on a little win streak here and I'd like to keep it going. Can I hold it for a lot longer? Yes, but I am up a lot on this week so far. My psychology has been great lately. Hanging out with you guys every day has been great. It hasn't really affected me as negatively as it might affect others. And like I said, I have found profitability in taking profit. You can never go broke taking profit, guys. Every day is not going to be a home run. Yesterday was a home run. Who knows if today is going to be a home run? It's already a home run to me because I won for the day. That's a home run to me. I didn't lose, where most people do. I didn't lose. So I implore you guys to, as you watch these live streams and you're perfecting your strategy and you're finding and learning what works for you, what doesn't work for you, all that good stuff. I implore you guys to really take a deep dive and look in the mirror and ask yourself what it is that you really want. Because 10 years ago, I would have given my right arm, and I'm a righty, I would have given my right arm to make even $1,000 a month. Okay? I remain humble. Did anybody take these buys, by the way? I'm just curious. I need to know I'm not the only one winning here. Who else took these buys? Drop some fire, drop a yes, drop something in the chat so I know that I wasn't the only one who made money today. Or any trade. These buys, gold, GJ, AU, who won today so far? Or who's in a winning trade? Speak now, forever hold your peace. I had 2 weeks of winning streaks, and then Monday and Tuesday I made reckless mistakes. Got a bit cocky. Market showed me who's boss. Ouch. That's okay. You're gonna bounce back. It's just 2 days. Yes, you did. Wasn't a buy. Did. I made 11.5. Woo! Who's still holding? Up, still holding. Yes. Left the runner. I won today, getting better every day. US30 up 255. Let's go. Floating on EU. I'm still in US30 buys. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Isn't this amazing? Bro. Crazy. That's crazy. I'm about to drop my Cash App and my PayPal in the chat so you guys could treat me to a steak dinner. Cause listen, 527, 146 likes. Come on, guys. Is it because I'm eating a raw lemon with honey? Is that it? Tell me. Is it because I'm short? Y'all can tell me. I can take it. I can take constructive criticism. I can take it. Yes, yes, yes. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. I hesitated. I saw US30 buy before the live, but I made a win and go with gold. Okay, cool, cool, cool. You don't have to overtrade. It's cool. You don't have to overtrade, my dear. It's all good in the neighborhood. Still holding US30 buys. Yes, sir. Hey, Charlene, what are your major time frames, top-down analysis, and what time do you go for analysis? Please rewatch the live streams or go back and watch my older ones, and that will answer your question. I caught the US30 sell at the beginning of London. Facts. Love it, love it, love it. You know what? I saw the potential sells too. I saw the potential sells from not here. It wasn't here. It was here. It was around here last night because when I got home, I was looking at the market and I was like, I don't want to take a sell just in case it doesn't pull back and it continues up and then it might come back down. Because US30 has done that to me before too. So that's why I didn't take a sell. And on top of that, the market was bullish. So I'm like, I'd rather go with the trend than go against it. I'd rather go with the trend. So if it sells off, I'll miss it. Let me just wait for the what you call it, for the buys. And I got in perfect. Look at these entries on the buys. Sniper entries, baby. Ah, damn. I forgot it. So what you call it. You are pretty awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How can I be in your private Telegram group? Just use the links in the description box on my Instagram. All the links are there. Can't see your legs, so I'm not sure how short you are. I'm pretty short. I'm only 5 foot nothing. I think I'm 2 inches over a legal midget. I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. US30 still pumping away here. You guys should be in some beautiful profits. Those of you that held. Those of you that held should still be in some wonderful profits here. We should continue up to at least this area here. At least that high. Don't know if we're going to break these highs. We've held these highs since yesterday. These highs have been respected since yesterday. We could tap into these highs. I think we will. I think we will. Which should be a nice other little bag here for y'all. Am I mad I didn't hold? No. No, baby. No, sweetie. I am just as happy as a kid at Christmas right now. Because guess what? I have won for the day. And that is the goal. To win. To win. Every day. How many of you were even trading US30 before you started watching these lives? Because I know some of you switched over to US30 after watching these lives. What strategy are you using? I'm using the SIMPLEFX simple strategy. That's what I'm using. The strategy that took me 5.5 years to perfect. It's not even perfect still. That strategy. There's no secret sauce in trading, guys. The secret sauce is chart time. Chart time. That's the secret sauce. That's the strategy right there. You want the secret strategy? Get your ass on the charts and study. And that's the secret right there. That's what most people are too lazy to do, don't want to do. Congrats on hitting 40K subs. Love it. Thank you, thank you. What time do you trade Asian? I start looking at Asian around 7. I do my markups around 7 because the market opens up again around 6. So about 7:30-ish, I start doing markups and looking for setups. If I'm home. I haven't been home lately. I wasn't home last night for it. The night before that, I wasn't home for it. Yeah. So if I'm home, yeah, most nights I'm out living my life. So, and I'm really gonna be out now with this car, baby. I'm really gonna be out now. I got shit to do with that car. It's gotta pay for itself. You know what I'm saying? That thing is gonna pay for itself. Strategize. I got a whole strategy for it. Same way you have a strategy for trading, guys, y'all gotta have a strategy for life too. Gotta have a strategy. Have a plan. Don't just go out and buy a $250,000 car with no plan. I would never. No. No, sir. I got a plan. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna have the time of our lives. The legal height of a midget is 4'10". Okay, I just made the cut. I just made the cut. Bro, this freaking song is boring as shit, man. I need better music. This music sucks. I used to have a whole other playlist on here. I can't freaking find it. Let me see. Let me see. Let me here. I don't think this is it, but let me see. Oh, my palm is itching. Y'all know what that means. Money's coming my way. Speaking of money, I'm going to request a withdrawal right now. I did a withdrawal Monday. I did a withdrawal yesterday. I'm about to do another withdrawal today. You know what? I'm withdrawing every day this week. Every day I win, I'm going to withdraw this week. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to withdraw every day this week. That's what I'm going to do. Because why not? Why not? Why not? Because why not? I'm going to request a withdrawal right now. Here we go. Coinbase. Oh, that's what I got to do. I got to go to Best Buy today and buy a ledger. Because a friend of mine told me that, hey, when you do those big withdrawals, are they just going straight to your Coinbase? I'm like, yeah. Sometimes it fluctuates. Sometimes goes up, goes down, all that. He's like, withdraw that thing to a ledger, girl. And I was like, what? Oh, okay, cool. I think I will. Receive Bitcoin, copy. Here we go. I'm so OCD with my Bitcoin address. Even though it's the same one, I always like copy it again and again when I do a withdrawal, because I get like nervous if I send the withdrawal to the wrong place. I'm gonna freaking lose all my money. And I'm gonna have a nervous breakdown. Copy. Hit the withdraw. Hit the withdraw, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me withdraw this money real quick. Hopefully it can hit today. Yesterday's withdrawal hit quick. I got it in like 2 hours, so that wasn't bad. Oh. 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, 8. There we go. Stop asking me about that. All right. Withdraw. Withdraw, guys. Come on, guys. Withdraw with me. If you made money today, log into your back office, withdraw, go into your prop accounts, and ask for a payout. It doesn't have to be Friday to ask for a payout. You don't got to get paid on Friday. We're traders. That means we get paid every day, baby. We make money every day. We get paid every day. Withdraw. Boom. How much I want to withdraw? How much I want to withdraw? Let me see. What's my balance? Oh, yep. And what did I make today? 62, 63, almost 7. Take 7K? Even 75. Let's call it 75. 7,500. 7,500. Select your crypto, Bitcoin. Yes, sir. Withdraw. Okay, what's the code? Let me go through all this security shit just to pull out your own money, man. 744. Congratulations, Charlene. Thank you. We have received a withdrawal request. It will be processed shortly. Yes, sir. So all I'm waiting for now is for Coinbase to send me a notification that my money is there, and we're good. We're good in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day. Oh, there we go. There we go, guys. Withdraw, withdraw, withdraw. Withdraw, withdraw, withdraw. All right. US30, stop playing. Stop playing with us. Get yourself up here. Maybe at 9:30 market open, it'll give us a push, and we can like continue up. I don't see us reversing and coming down. That would be a shocker to me. Is that impossible? No, but because we're so bullish here, we've been holding this area right here for however long. I really don't see us coming down. Just boop, 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 gone. So that's what would be nice. But it's only Wednesday. We still have 2 more days of, we have the rest of today. Oops. We have the rest of today and the rest of the week. So it's going to be interesting. Depositing soon. Happy to join you guys. Cool, 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 cool. You're still using Henkel Trade? Of course. Who else would I be using? Charlene made 3 months of my salary just today. You will too soon, my friend. You will too. You will too. Will you check gold? Sure. Let's see what's up with gold. Oh, she's breaking that 4-hour high. What did we talk about, guys? And she's breaking. If she can close here with a bullish engulfing, which she's doing now, and there's 30 minutes left in this candle, that's a lot of time. That's a lot of time. How this candle closes is going to be very telling. It's going to be telling. If it pushes up and it wicks out, then she's going to probably come back down. But if she can close above this area here, baby, we're flying. We're flying. We're flying. Oh, my lemon is dry. I'm out of lemon juice. I'm out of lemon juice. What's so good about a ledger? I believe you have the ability to keep your money in a safe place. Your crypto in a safe place. It's not subject to that, fluctuations that you get when you have it invested in crypto or in the crypto markets. So I'm gonna find out though, but I'm gonna go to Best Buy. Actually today I'm gonna go there after I go to my new gym. Go get me a new membership, because this gym is closing here soon and the machines are always freaking broken anyway. So I'm gonna go get a new gym membership, and then I'm gonna swing by Best Buy and check out the ledgers. I need a new phone case too. My phone case is old. They're not expensive either. They're only a couple bucks. See, my only fear is I would deposit my money on here, my Bitcoin or my crypto on here. And if I lose this, I would lose my shit. I would lose it. Oh, they come in all different colors too. Hey. Very cool. Look at this, guys. Hey, this matches the interior of my new car. Whoa, what? Yeah, I know I had to get the bleeding guts, right? Had to get the bleeding guts. Had to do it. Let's look at the reviews. I always look at reviews. I want to see what people are saying. Is this thing trash or is it good? Hold on, where's the reviews? 12 reviews on Ledger SAS. There's only 12? Hold on. I don't like that. Okay, a lot of 5 stars. The 5 stars are killing it with the others. These were a steal. These are great. I was going to get the Sony Pulse, but then these are on sale for $35. Too good to pass up. I downloaded the Apple Music app to my PS5 and listening to music on these is great. Oh, it has music too? You can play music on this thing? But what about the space? Wait, are these headphones? Why am I getting different reviews for different things? This is about the Ledger. God damn it. I'm looking at the wrong stuff here. Such a reread sometimes. Bruh, where are the reviews at? It's just me or am I missing out on something here? Right here, you can see all SAS reviews. Okay, virtually the same as the Nano, half the price. Great crypto wallet. Crypto asset Fort Knox. Crypto asset Fort Knox. Check out the Nano X. Okay, all right. I like the name Nano X. I like that. Easy to get up, but installing apps was a bit confusing. Uh-oh. The hardware was key, lengthy setup. I had a little difficulty installing crypto apps. But even after I accepted it, I kept failing, not sure what I was doing wrong. I suggest you order directly from the website to avoid backdoor software. Oh, thank you. Will do. So wait, I shouldn't buy it from Best Buy? Is that what you're saying? Like I gotta buy it from the actual company? Don't buy a Ledger from... So wait a minute, I should not buy it from these stores? Is that what you guys are saying? Only buy on a Ledger website. Order from the website. Oh, okay. I will do that. Thank you guys. ShopLedger.com. I'm guessing this is the company. Damn, they're a little more pricey through the company though. This is like double Best Buy. Oh, but they still come in these cool colors. Free shipping. Okay. I like the cool colors. I like that burgundy. This is ruby red, I guess. Retro gaming. I like this one though. This one's nice. With a Ledger, you have security key that your crypto is secure. You can log in on any Ledger and your crypto is there. Well, thank you for that, you guys. You guys are amazing, bro. Look at all this info I'm getting. And I don't know anything about these things. I knew they existed, but I never really gave them much thought, you know. I'm so used to just withdrawing and just leaving the money in my Coinbase, and then when I want to cash it out, I just cash it out. Knowing that cash is worthless these days. It's not making you any money in your bank account. I don't know. Large capacity, store up to 100 different crypto assets on each Nano. Easily connect your smartphone or tablet to manage crypto on the go. Excellent coin support, peace of mind. Rest assured that your crypto is always secured under your control, no matter where you go. Works with Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android. With the Ledger Live app, you can start managing your crypto in minutes. All right, all right. Nano X is bigger space. Yes. I do want the one with more space on it. 11,000 reviews. Let's see some of these reviews. Let me see the 1-star reviews, what the people say that's shitty about it. Battery cannot charge. The new Ledger Nano was bought in June. Tried to activate it. It's showing battery charging problem. Battery cannot charge. Support does not. The support or emails doesn't exist. I would like to return it. Doesn't respond. Doesn't work with MM. Okay, there's only 3 1-stars. So let's look at the 5 stars. I hate reviews that only give like one-liners. I like to see a detailed review because that's how I know it's legit. Come on, let me see something that looks real. Because you know, sometimes the website itself, the owners and stuff can put their own shit to sell their stuff. Here we go. Andrew D says, I'm very happy with my Ledger devices. I bought it recently. The devices do exactly what I needed to do. On the other hand, the app is terrible, and I hope much more work is done on upgrading it soon. This was in July of 2022, so last year. Please allow people to add chains, add tokens by addresses, add a browser that works well for chain and site. All non-Ledger wallets for management can be flagged as hot. I look forward to a much better experience. He still gave it 5 stars, even though that review doesn't sound that good. This doesn't sound that good. The app is terrible. You can't do certain things. He's listing things that he wishes it did, but he still gave it 5 stars. So, yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. I just hope it's not too complicated to, you know, set it up with the app and all that stuff, because I don't have the patience for that kind of thing. I'll give it to my cousin and let him do it for me. I just want to be able to stick it in my computer and drop my crypto on it, and that's it. Or send the address, whatever, you know, send it to that address, whatever the case may be. And then find a way to get over the anxiety of actually losing it. Can you imagine losing it with like 100K on it? Bro, I wouldn't sleep for a week. So yeah, I think I'm gonna invest in one of these. I think I'm going to invest in one of these babies. Come on, gold. Don't tease us like that. Don't tease us. Give us something here. Give us something. Oh, is that movie still in the theaters? I meant to go see it. I might go see it tonight. Fandango. You know that the GameStop movie, what's it called? Dumb Money, or what's it called again? Let me see. What's with all these kids movies? Ooh, Saw X. Saw came out? Hell no, I'm not going to see that mess. Still traumatized from the last movies I saw. Bro, why is it? Here we go. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Hey. Okay, here we go. Oh man, I think it's out of the... Yo, it's still in there. Dumb Money, Dumb Money. Dumb Money, yes. Dumb Money. I need to see that movie. I don't know why I really want to see it. I need to see what... I know it's a movie. They're not going to give all the full details of what happened with the GameStop situation, but I'm interested in seeing like what the hell happened. How the heck did all these little guys screw over all these rich people out of millions and billions of dollars? How did they beat the system? That's what I want to see. So I might go see that later today. Actually, I will go see it later today. Oh, damn. cannot go see it today because they only have 2 showings of it, and they're both in the afternoon. Jerk. What time tomorrow? Oh, I can go see it tomorrow night. Yes, tomorrow I can go see it at 6:30. Yeah. Any of you guys saw that movie? Let me know how it was. Let me know how it was. Charlene, did you just send a link? Yeah, I have a, what you call it in here? Where is he? I have a moderator in the chat, so that's what that is. Oh, we're rejecting hard too. We're not pushing up harder here. US30, you animal, you. This was a nice move. This was a nice catch. Peep the entry, y'all. Peep the entries we caught. Oh my god. Sexy entries, man. When I tell y'all, I'm going to dub myself the entry queen. I'm going to dub myself the entry queen. Cause honey, I bought mine from the company. Yeah. Alright, I missed a lot of this chat. Let me scroll up here. How much is the insurance on that car, if you don't mind me asking? My insurance, I won't give you the exact price, but it's between $500 and $600. But it all depends on what company you go with. You know, it's just interest rates. Insurance is high now. Everything went up, so everything is high. So it shouldn't be that high, but it is for me. It should have been in like the $200-300 price range, but it's not. So what are you gonna do, you know? What's your plan for buying that car? My plan is to make it pay for itself. When I make my first million, I'm taking you out on a date. I ain't taking no for an answer. All right, we gonna see. Charlene, when is the vlog dropping? My editor says he's gonna be working on it throughout the week and this weekend. So we're looking at early next week, hopefully. So maybe Monday or Tuesday next week. We should be good. So you guys will like it. Every day is a withdrawal day. Facts. Facts. Facts and facts and facts. When you say charts, do you mean study the past prices to know mentally ranges? You deserve it, Charlie. Thank you, thank you. Will you live stream every day? Will I live stream every day? You need to read the description box, my friend. A lot of these questions can be answered in the description box. My one-on-ones, message me on Instagram. My course link is in the description box. If you want to do the in-person class so you can learn how to get sniper entries like this every day, fill out the waiting list application. You want to get in my private live stream group, fill out the application. All the links, guys, are in the description box of all my videos. Right now, if you click it right now, you'll see it. You'll see all the links right there. Click it, copy and paste it, follow the instructions, and bing, bang, boom. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm new, so you take BTC as opposed to cash. Is that normal? You're very new then. Ledgers are handy. How much is the withdrawal? I withdrew $7,500 just now. I have a bank card that accepts deposit in crypto, which is amazing. My money always won to $6,000 in my bank account from the broker, converted to fiat. Cool. Congrats. I'm at my biggest day ever. I made 13 this week. First win. Hey, congrats, my guy or girl. Congrats. 3 weeks pay in a day. Yeah. Are you a swing trader? I'll let you guys answer that for me. You deserve it, Charlene. Well done, and thank you for sharing your personal activities with us in appreciation. Thank you. You're welcome. Charlie made 3 months of my salary just today. Still using depositing soon. Thanks, guys. News drops in 2 minutes. Charlie, what do you consider confident versus cocky? It's a fine line. She got the vibes. Who has the better tools, MT5 or TradingView? I think TradingView. It depends on your preference. Charlene, is Henkel Trade good? Can y'all spell my name right? God darn it. Why y'all keep butchering my name like this? Sheesh. It's not even hard. And my name is right here on the screen on top of that. Come on, guys. Charlene. It's not hard. It's not hard. Are you married? What's with the personal questions here? Why? You want to ask me out? I legit cannot wait to live my life with that freedom every day. It's coming. Stay with it. You stick with me, and I'll get you guys where you guys want to go. Stick with me, and I'll help you guys get there. Because you know what? If I can do it, you can do it too. Stick with me, follow my lead, and I got y'all. You should always buy ledgers from the ledger company. I learn something new every day. You guys are amazing. Because I was legit about to take my butt on over to Best Buy and go just pick one right off the shelf. I don't know. You don't know. You don't know what you don't know. You know? I ain't no computer hacker. I don't know how that stuff works. If you lose this, you will not lose your money. As long as you have your 12-word phrase, you can buy another, do the recovery, and all your money will show back up. See what I'm saying? I didn't know that. I thought if you lost that little device, you lost all your money. And now I'm finding that no, you don't. You have your phrase, you're good to go. Love it. Love it. You guys are giving me all this sauce, all this game, all this juice. I love it. I remember when Q told a story about him and his boy losing the ledger, but they found it later. Oh, they lost one? I'm telling you, those little things, I don't know. They're very easy to because they're so little, you know? So little. I wouldn't trust that thing from Best Buy. Ouch. Yeah, guys, thank you for that, because I was about to take myself over to Best Buy. That's where I buy all my electronics, you know. Everything I have is from there. You know. Make sure you have the private key and your words on a safe place and you're good to go. Cool? Put it in a safe deposit box. Charlene, I have a ledger, but I don't use it. I want to get one of those other ones with a screen. Looks like a mini smartphone. YouTube such videos. Best crypto hard wallet. Okay. Yeah, if you want to get another one, a more updated one, I think that's a great idea. I think that's a great idea. Only buy on ledger website. Okay. If you lose, don't worry. 20 word. I guess the ledger people that built those things thought of that. They're like, hey, what if people get concerned about losing their ledger? We got to put in something that will help them, you know, be safe. You know, so. Guys, don't forget, I forgot to remind you guys yesterday, don't forget about the giveaway, okay? The trading setup giveaway. You're gonna get a monitor, a custom built PC, keyboard, mouse, the whole shebang, okay? One lucky person is gonna have a really nice Christmas because they're gonna have a really dope computer setup so they can kick off 2024 with a bang, all right? You're gonna get a beautiful curved large screen monitor if you want. A keyboard, light up mouse, custom PC with memory that'll last you a lifetime. Brand new setup just for you. And I did think about also giving away a laptop. So maybe we'll have 2 winners where one person will win the custom built setup and another person could win a really cool laptop. So I'm thinking about that also, just to give like a second person a chance to, because I want to do a lot of giveaways for this Christmas. Because I had a really good year. I kind of want to, you know, I do my best to give back as much as I can, because what you put out in this universe, you get back tenfold. You get back tenfold. Like last night, after we left the dealership, I was with my cousin, because he's my video guy. So we left the dealership and we were hungry. So I had to go get some food. So we go to Cheesecake Factory. I love Cheesecake Factory. So we go to Cheesecake Factory. We sit down, we eat or whatever. They messed up my order, so I had to send it back, and the guy had to fix it. He's apologizing and everything like that. It wasn't a big deal. It was simple, you know, whatever. And the bill came to, I think, $60, like $62, $63 and change. And I paid the bill. I gave him a $100 bill. So I give him the bill. He takes off. And then we were walking out, and he comes out behind us. He goes, "Hey, man, you know, do you want your change?" And I said, no, that's for you. You take it. And he goes, "Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. And it felt so good to do that. Even though it was only a $40 tip for a $60 bill. It felt good to do that, because I used to be a waitress. I used to work at Cheesecake Factory. That was the first job I ever got fired from, actually. I worked at Cheesecake when I think I was 20. I was in my early 20s. I don't remember what age exactly. But I was in my early 20s, and I worked at Cheesecake Factory in Fort Lauderdale. And that was the first job I ever got fired from. And I had a crush on my manager. He was, his last name was Green. What was his first name again? He was a white guy, but he had a black guy first name. I forgot his name, which is weird to say, but yeah, you don't expect a white guy to have a black person's first name. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, he fired me. He was a strict guy, but sometimes he was nice, sometimes he wasn't. But when he fired me, he wasn't nice at all. And they have, I don't know if they have it now, because that was years ago, but they have like this 3-strike rule. Like, you mess up once, okay, cool. You mess up twice, okay. Third time, chopping block. And I messed up on my 3rd time, and it was hard. You guys see the menu at Cheesecake Factory. That thing is a damn dictionary, you know, and that restaurant is busy. It's busy. That restaurant, and they told us in training, that restaurant on average does over $10 million a month sometimes. $10 million a month. That's one location. I was like, wow. And I made the time I was there for like 4 months. I wasn't even there long. I was there like 4 or 5 months. I made really good money in tips, because it was always busy. It didn't matter what shift you worked. You could work the lunch rush, dinner, didn't matter. You made money because it was so busy there. So I really liked that job, because I wanted the free food. I got free food every night when I worked there. It was cool. But that was the first job I ever got fired from. And it was pretty bad, because I'd never been fired before, so I didn't really know how to take it. So, like, because when he said, like, yeah, we had to let you go, I was like, I didn't know what he meant by that. I was like, so, like, what does that mean? Like, I can't come in tomorrow? And he just looked at me like, yeah, like, you no longer work here. And I was like, seriously? Like, for real? So yeah, it's that. So yeah, it's cool. How old are you? She's 35. I'm not 35. So yeah, I got fired, guys. Never been fired before, so I didn't know how to take it, you know. It was tough. I took it hard, because I'm like, what do you mean I'm fired? Like, you know how hard it was for me to get this job, training and all that stuff I went through. What do you mean I'm fired? What? But you know what hit me? It wasn't even that. what hit me was when I saw my first paycheck there. It wasn't the amount of the paycheck, I'm sure it wasn't much. It was the hourly rate that threw me for a loop. I don't remember the exact hourly rate, but the first number, guys, was a 4. It might have been $4.25. I was in shock when I saw that. Because I guess I didn't realize it. I never worked in a restaurant before, so I really didn't know. Back then, the minimum wage I think was like, I don't know, $7 or $8, I think, something like that. I don't know. And I know they say like when you work in that field as a waitress, you're really you're working on tips. That's how you get your real money, is off tips, But even when they said that, I was like, I still thought I was gonna get a real paycheck, even with that, And when I saw what that hourly rate was, I was like, what? $4 an hour? Like, what? These guys are charging $12 for one slice of cheesecake, and you think I'm worth $4 for an entire hour of standing on my feet, walking back and forth for hours, serving, carrying these heavy trays, sweating, being tired, my feet hurting every night, smiling, being, showing the best customer service I can so I can make sure my tip is nice. Some people don't tip at all. Some leave little ass tips, and then having to split the tips with the bus boys. We all had to pool our tips and shit. I'm like, what? Guys, let me tell you, man. The general managers there were making about $150K. It's probably more now. But back then, I know the general managers were making about $150K a year. And I looked it up. I was interested in all that stuff. So I was in everybody's business. I was looking up when it comes to money and numbers, I was interested in all that. That's how I found out they were doing $10 million a month in sales at that restaurant. That's not something they just volunteer. I made it my business to find out the numbers and all that. Not that it mattered for my position, but I just wanted to know. So, yeah, guys, that was, I couldn't quit. I needed a job. And like I said, I still make good money. Some nights I made like $100-$150 a night on tips. I think the most I ever made in one night was like $300, I think, in tips, which was a lot of money to me back then. I was like, oh shit, I made this much? I would go home with like wads of money, wads of like stacks, which was cool. Ones, fives, tens, here and there. But I never cared about my paycheck. I never looked forward to it. It was direct deposit, but you know how when you work and you get paid, first thing you do in the morning is you wake up and you check your bank account to make sure your money is there. I never did that when I worked there. Only the way I checked my direct deposit was counting my tips every night in the car before I drove off every night. And I had this ritual where I wouldn't look at my tips until I got in the car, because I had my armrest, I had money and stuff sitting in there. So I like to see a lot of money because it made me feel like I had money, So that's why I would leave like a bunch of like money and stuff inside my armrest, because it made me feel like I had money, even though I was broke as shit. It made me feel like I had money. So, but I always, even when I was broke, guys, I never tried to like dwell on the fact that I was broke. I never really felt broke, like poor, like I didn't really have it. I just didn't make myself want things that I knew I couldn't afford back then. And I just worried about my necessities, the things that I absolutely needed, not things that I just wanted just because. Things that I needed is what I focused on. And, but I never lost sight of my end result. I never lost sight of what I really wanted at the end of the day. It's cool. It's cool. It was a long time coming. It wasn't easy. A lot of long nights. It was cool. Went through a lot. Still going through a lot, you know. I have bad days just like you guys, trust me. Every day is not hunky-dory. You know, I have my good days, my bad days like everybody else. But you learn how to manage it, you learn how to handle it. And you still try to keep pushing, you know, stay positive every day. That's all you can do. Either that or you just roll over and die. I'm not ready to die. So if you're not ready to die, keep pushing. Keep it pushing. You want to be able to get up and live your life how you want to live it, be it trading or starting a business or whatever it is you want to do. Fucking do it. Freaking do it. Just do it. Don't think about what could go wrong, what could happen. Because if you live your life in fear, guys, you will find yourself in the same exact spots next year as you are right now, this very second, on October 18th at 9:02 in the morning. Your ass will be in the same spot now that you were back then. And then life is gonna pass you by. It's gonna pass you by. You're gonna look up one day and be like, what the hell? Kids are grown, parents are old and gone. And you're gonna look around you and like, shit, what did I do with my life? You know? So, take care of yourself. Take care of the ones you love. Be good to yourself. Give yourself more credit for things, and you'll start to see things really open up for you. You really will. Never ask a girl her age and the trader their P&L. Thank you. Somebody gets it here. Just requested a withdrawal of 5,000 on KOT. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Listen, I like my steak medium well with a little char. All right, medium well. For my wine, I like a little Chardonnay or a little Moscato, something like that. All right, I don't really care about the side. All right, take care of me, I'll take care of you. You know. Love it, love it, love it. That's great. Congratulations, man. That's great. Hey, when that money hits your bank account, it's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be sweet. Telling y'all, it's going to be sweet. $5,000. God darn it, some people don't make that in a month. Oh man, love it. Love seeing other people win. I just love it. I love it, man. Look at the smile on my face, guys. This ain't cap. This ain't fake. I really am happy for this guy right now. I'm like about to tear up right now. Cause could you imagine? Bro, you know you could do a $5,000 right now? You could take a dope ass vacation. You can pay your mortgage, your rent, your car note, your bills for like 2, 3, 4 months, if that. Guys, like, you can put that in a nice little investment account. You can put it in your savings account. You can go buy your wife or your husband or your kids something nice and not feel it. Go out to eat, order whatever you want on the menu. Don't even care about what the price. Like, y'all, it don't take much, man. They say money doesn't buy happiness. It's a damn good down payment on it. It may not buy pure happiness, but it's a goddamn good down payment. Oh my God. Woo! Heating up over here. Y'all feel that? Y'all feel that? I feel it. Do you guys feel that? I feel it. I feel it. Ooh. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. Hey, can you guys like show him some love? Y'all in the chat, show this 5K guy some love real quick. So he can really feel it and he can run it back. He or she can run it back and get another 5K withdrawal. Like let's show this guy some congrats. Let's put some fire in the chat. Let's give him some type of love to give him that encouragement that he needs to keep pushing. Or she. I don't know if it's a girl or guy. I apologize. But guys, let me tell y'all. If all of us could do it here, all of us can do that. All of us. All of us, all of us, all of us. Whew. It's getting hot in here. I'm up 400 on gold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that. Guys, give yourselves a pat on the back, man. I don't care if you made $20 today. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go. Oh my God. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Just amazing. How do I get in your private lives? Link is in the description box. Congrats. Look at all that congrats, bro. Look at all that congrats. How are you gonna feel when that money hits your account later today? Oof. Oof. $5,000 richer today. Oof. Keep it up. Yes, yes, yes. Look at that. Look at that. 3,000 up on EU. 3,000. Guys, we're not even doing hundreds in this chat. Everybody here is doing numbers. We doing numbers in these chats. We're not even doing play money. We doing numbers. We're doing people's monthly salaries here. We're doing monthly salaries here in days, y'all, in days. Use, guys, those of you that are just starting out, use this as motivation. Use it, because that same person who made 5,000, 4,000, 11,000, 10,500, all those people once were in your position. They were all trying. And they didn't give up. They did not give up. You cannot give up, guys. You can't. If I gave up, I would still be a cop right now, miserable as fuck in my job. Taking shit from people who were no better than I was, no smarter than I was. They just had better opportunities than me. If you are sick and tired of your situation, you have to do something about it now. You have to, because no one's gonna come to your rescue. Nobody. Nobody's gonna say, hey, you're sad today. You don't like your job. You know what? I'm gonna come rescue you. You don't have to work anymore. I'll pay all your no. That security blanket is never gonna come. Find a fire inside of you. Find something that motivates the crap out of you and use that as motivation every day. If you think your boss is fat and ugly and is annoying and he stinks, use that as motivation. I don't want to come see your ugly fat face every day. So I'm going to do whatever I have to do to not come in this building anymore, because I don't want to see your face every day. Looking at you depresses me. I don't want to be depressed. Someone else's mood shouldn't directly affect mine. So because of that, I'm going to use that as motivation. Every night I come home from work, I'm going to get on the charts. You got kids? Fine. Spend time with your kids, cook them dinner, help them with their homework, take them a bath, put them in bed, then get your ass on the charts. No excuses. No excuses. You have flexibility in your work schedule, adjust it, make it work for you. Because your job is a means to an end. This is temporary. I can't let this job run my life because I know I don't want to be here forever. So I got to make it do what it do and then use that leverage over to what I really want to do. No excuses, guys. That's the word of the day. No excuses. No excuses. Everybody has a job. Everybody has kids. Everybody has sick parents. Everybody got stress. Everybody has some type of problem in their life. But you can't sit there and make fucking excuses every single time. Because you're going to be in the same spot now that you were last year if you make those same excuses today. Nobody's going to come rescue you. Do it for yourself. No excuses. Say it with me, guys. No excuses. We getting it now. It's 2023 going on 2024. The year's almost done. Gone. Bye-bye. That's another year gone. You can't get it back. Enough already, man. Enough already. Tell me 10 years ago, Charlene, you're going to buy a $250,000 car. I would have laughed in your face. Because I didn't have faith in myself back then. I didn't know the possibilities. I didn't know then what I know now. I didn't surround myself with the right people, with the right knowledge. I had a poor man's mindset. I had a poor mentality. I had a negative mentality about everything in my life. It took me getting the best job of my life to realize the best part of my life. You never know where your path is going to land you, what people are going to pass your way, what opportunities are going to come out of nowhere. I'm trying to tell y'all, everybody in here can have it. Whatever you want in this life, you can have it. Whatever you want, you can have it. Don't let anybody tell you shit. I wish somebody would tell me I can't have something I want. I'm gonna go get it twice just to show you I can get it. Nothing should motivate you more than people doubting you. Nothing should motivate you more than your own self doubting you. Your own self. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's about. It ain't no outside voices. It's you. It's you versus you. It's not you versus the charts. It's you versus you. Because you're the one that hit the buy or sell button. You're the one that has to study. You're the one that has to withdraw. The market ain't got shit to do with what you got going on. It's going to do whatever you tell it to do. If you tell me to buy and you hit buy, it's going to buy. If you tell me to sell, it's going to sell. If you withdraw, it's going to withdraw. But if you don't do any of that, then that's on you. Because you decide what you want it to do. You. Tell me I'm lying. If you don't have the patience to wait on a setup, that's not the chart's fault. That's your fault. If you're in drawdown in a fucked up trade, excuse my language, and you know you should close, but you don't, that's not the chart's fault. That's your fault. If you trade every day and you know you shouldn't trade every day, that's not the chart's fault. It's your fault. So in reality, who are you really battling? Who are you really in competition with? You. The person you see in the mirror every day. That's who you're struggling to overcome. That. You think I give a shit that people were mad that I closed out on these sells yesterday when they think I should have held? No, because I'm not trading for the charts or other people. I'm trading for Charlene. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Nothing more, nothing less. I was at the dealer yesterday. I was telling the dealer that I'm gonna get the windows tinted because, you know, driving a car like that in where I live in my neighborhood. I told him, I said, in the last like 2 weeks, every time I go out, go to the supermarket, go to the gym, go out to hang out with my family, friends, whatever. I made a conscious effort to look around at the cars that were around me, just so I could see, right? And I said to the dealer, I told the sales guy, I said, you know, I'm gonna feel really weird driving this car around my town because I don't see any other cars like this where I live. You know, it's all, you know, regular Joe Blow cars. And he said, yeah. He just said, yeah, like, I know, you know? And then I said to him, I'm gonna get the windows tinted. I don't want people to see me in the car. You know, when they see it, they just see it. They don't know who's in it. They just see a really nice car. Okay, cool. They don't have to see me because my BMW is like a fishbowl. You know, I have no tints on that car. I like it like that because I love my red seats. And it's like a fire orange red. And I like seeing, like when I'm walking up to my car and stuff, I love it. It just pops. I like that pop. So I'm like, nah, I'm not tinting this shit. I love it. I want everybody to see me in this baby. But in the Lambo, it's like, ooh. He's like, and he said to me, he's like, well, the car's already tinted enough. But he said, Charlene, no, don't get it any darker than that. He said, you want people to see you in that car. You want them to see this. You worked for this. This is a badge of honor. This is a symbol of success. Don't hide it. Don't be ashamed of it. It's different. Yeah, it's a new experience, but get used to it because this is what you worked so hard for. He said, don't tint it anymore. No, you want people to see you. This is the sales guy talking to me. He already made his money. He doesn't, you know, it's no difference to him if I tint the windows or not. He's going to tell me what his honest opinions are, you know? But this is the sales guy talking to me, telling me this stuff. And I was like, huh, Okay. Okay, cool. Nope. Okay, I won't. I'll leave it just like, he's like, yes, leave it just like that. Leave it just like that. You want people to see you in that car. So, that's, yeah, that's that. So, it was cool. It was cool because it's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. It's gonna be different. I don't know. It's gonna be different. So it's cool. Big fish in a little pond. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I have no idea. It's more for a protection thing, not a success thing. I don't know. I don't know about that. I am gonna go buy another gun though. I need another gun because I have one that I carry with me in my other car. This one I definitely have to have another gun in there for that for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna post it today after the live, after I'm done with my private live group. I should be done around 10:30, 11. So once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and post it so you guys could see. But so many people already know what it is. It's like they know. You guys know me so well. Y'all know me so well. They're like, nah. Someone even messaged me and was like, hey, is it this, is it that? He kept guessing, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. So he's like, I'm gonna figure it out. So he comes back to me yesterday actually, and he goes, I know what it is. I went back in your YouTube channel and I watched your video and now I know what it is, and you manifested that. Congratulations, girl. I just laughed. I was like, oh my God, okay. So yeah, some people already know what it is, so it's no surprise. It's really not a surprise. Most people already know what it is. But do I feel like I manifested it? I do. And it was long overdue. I should have been got it, but you know, it's cool. Everything happens when it's supposed to happen, you know? So yeah, I re-entered the US30 and currently printing. Nice. Nice. No over trading though, guys. Be careful. No over trading. All right. So what BMW do you have? I have a 228i M Sport. And I still have it. The sales guy kept trying to get me to trade it in, but I was like, nah, I need because I don't plan on driving the Lambo every day. You know, it's even though it's a daily, you can use it as a daily. I don't want to drive it every day. I don't want to take it everywhere. I don't want to put a whole bunch of miles on it and all this shit. So, and I was a little upset because I asked them for like a package, like if they had a maintenance package or something with it. And Lambo really knows how to make their money because they're like, no, we don't offer those. All the people that service their cars, they pay for that shit out of pockets. And I looked up how much an oil changes on a Lamborghini. Do you guys want to know how much an oil changes on a Lamborghini? If y'all want to know how much oil changes, drop it in the chat. Let me see if you guys even care to know how much an oil changes for a Lamborghini. Somebody tell me what you think it is. Or what if you want me to tell you. Why don't y'all just guess how much it is? Y'all should just guess how much it is. Don't Google it either. Don't be cheating. So I said, what video? Just give y'all a hint. It's in one of these videos here. It's in one of these videos here. It's in one of these videos here. It's an old video too. It's an old video. Old video. Yep. Yes, it is $2,000. Yes, it's $2,000 for an oil change. For an oil change. Bruh. When I tell y'all, it's not just being able to afford the car. Affording the car also means affording the maintenance too. Guys, I used to drive a Toyota Camry. I actually love that car. It got totaled in an accident that I got into. I love that car. It drove so well. Maintenance was a breeze on it. You know how much I paid for an oil change for that car? $30. $30, and it took all of maybe 20 minutes. When you take your car to Lamborghini for an oil change, they're gonna have it for 4 hours, mind you. Hours. And then they're gonna slap you with a nice $2,000 bill. I said, boy, you guys are something. You guys are something. So, you gotta pay to play, guys. Yeah, with a car wash. Yeah, and you get a car wash. You better get a car wash with that. So you gotta pay to play. Pay to play, pay to play. So, and then get this too. The sales manager, right? Because I'm talking to the sales manager while I'm in there signing paperwork and stuff. And the sales manager says, hey, you know we're neighbors, right? And I said, we are? He said, yeah. I live in the same building you do. And we live on the same floor. I said, what? He said, yeah. I was like, wow, that is insane. So I asked him, I said, do you drive a Lamborghini too? He said he used to have an Aventador. And you think he said he had it for like 2 or 3 years, something like that. But damn, US30 is pumping away. Whew, nice. He said he had an Aventador, and I was like, oh wow, nice. And I said, so you gonna get another one? And he says he's thinking about it. He's not sure, but he wants another one. He wants another Aventador. And I was like, cool, good stuff. Look at gold. Look at her taking off here. Look at that. Still needs to pull back though. Still got to give us some kind of pullback here on gold. So, what's AU doing? Okay, we rejected these highs. Let me see, where did you tap? Right there. Yeah, we might be coming down now. Now we might be looking for the sells to take off. From there, let me go shorts. Big ass stop loss though. Shit. That's the next low here. Ooh, been a while. Yes, sir. Get yourself down here. It started at London session. London we tapped, and now we're coming down. This is a bit of a low here. Let's see if we can get a pullback here and then enter. I'm not taking this trade, guys. I'm just back test, paper trading to see how it plays out for Q-tips. It's only 26. That's not too bad. That's still something. Still something. That's a whole other car, I'm telling you. Do you ever get back in the market after taking profit if the setup is legit? Sometimes, but I am very cautious with US30, not to overtrade it, and not to be greedy. I'm good, because I'll be mad at myself if I get greedy, enter another buy here and try to take it on up, and then it breaks support and it continues. Now I greedily took another trade and I risked my profit from earlier. So it's kind of a mental block that I have with that kind of thing. So that's all that is. Just a mental block. So I'm not saying you can't do it. You can. I just feel like one trade a day has done me well. One trade, maybe two. And that's the thing. Like, I trade Asian sometimes. So technically, it's really 2 trades in that day. Technically, I mean, it is, but it isn't. Because Asian session is technically the next day. Because the market reopens again for the next day. But in reality, 1 or 2 trades is enough for me. I'm good. I'm good with that. I have completely... I don't have FOMO. I don't have FOMO. The greed factor is kind of sort of there in a sense, but not really. I'm good, guys. I do well for myself. I had a really good win today. I bet a really great win yesterday and the day before and Friday. Guys, I'm good. I'm Gucci. I am Gucci. So, for those of you that are jumping in these trades, hey, I love it. Get your money. Get your money. Because these setups, they're there. They're there. So, Charlene, have you ever thought about Land Rover Defender? Nah, I don't really care for Land Rover cars. Nope. Hey everybody, it's my first time in these lives. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Can we get the likes up, guys? Can we get like at least 500 likes? I'd like that. I mean, can we do that? That'd be pretty cool. Oh. Thank you, thank you. I love you guys bad. Look at my group giving me love here. I love y'all too. I love y'all back. Do 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 do. Yo, I love my students, bro. Y'all are awesome. Y'all are awesome. Let me see. Oh, man. Let's see here. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to have more vlogs coming out. With this car, I'm going to be putting out a lot of content around this car because you guys are going to love it as much as I do. So more YouTube videos will be coming out. Enough of this, just the live sessions. We're gonna have some fun with some day in the lives, some giveaways, some good stuff. God darn it! Look at that 930 push. Ah! That's the push I was looking for. Darn you, US30! Oh, you're gonna get this fish. Ugh. That's okay though. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. If this thing flies, ugh. You better not do me like that. Giving me this little baby move when I was looking for you to keep going up there. You better not do me like that, US30. Look at that whiplash. That's that 930 I can't stand sometimes. I still think it's gonna go up. We need to break this high though. We need to break this high here. I think we will, but we just need that volume. That 930 market open volume, that's what we need for this thing to continue up here. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. What's that song? Waterboy? Yeah, Waterboy. You can do it. Now, if we don't break this high, then I'm like, all right. Oh, no. Look at her go. Come on. Look at that. Ooh. US30 is just playing with people's emotions right now. playing with people's emotions right now. US30, stop it. Stop it. Come on. Stop it. Before you can even hit close to take profit, it's already rejecting on you. Let me look at the higher time frame. What's going on here? Why are we struggling here? Why are we wicking here and price is refusing to continue up? We can't even come back inside this range. We had 2 rejections in here. Okay, makes sense. Little double top here, but now we have this higher lower high here and we can't break it. This lower high refuses to break. Guys, this is a 4-hour zone. Let me move this over here. This is a 4-hour high. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, going on 5. What's 5 times 4? 20. 20 hours. For 20 hours, price could not break this high. Unacceptable. But you know what that means? Potentially means we could be flipping and potentially going down. But we can't look at that until this area is broken. Because this area that's holding as a valid area of support here was holding here as a valid area of resistance. So for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What's 13 times 4? For 52 hours, well over 2 days, price could not break above this area. It did, but it couldn't maintain and it broke back, even retested it and then dropped down again. So we're gonna need a strong move to get down here. The same move you had up, you need that same move going back down if we're gonna break that support. If we don't, US30 is gonna find itself up here. It might take maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday. Who knows? Maybe we might even gap up there. Who knows? But you gotta follow confirmations. That is a very strong rejection. This is a 4-hour candle that just opened. Wow, strong rejection on the 4-hour. But we have 3.5 hours left of that move. Plenty of time to catch a setup, or to see so not even to catch a setup, but to see what it's gonna do. US30 is not for the weak. It's not for the weak, guys. It's not for the weak. All right, guys, so I'm going to take off here. I got to head over to my private group and go take care of my babies over there. We had a great session today. We really had a great session today. I really, really appreciate you guys being on. I really hope that a lot of people won today. It looks like a lot of you did. And if you did not take a trade or you did not win, I hope you at least learned something. Okay? So you guys be good. Withdraw. Other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Any information on my Instagram, on my broker, on my 3-day in-person class, on my private group, my YouTube, everything is in the description box of all my videos. You guys can always find it there. You can reach me on Instagram. You can reach me on Telegram. You can email me, anything you guys need. I'm always here for you guys because I want to see you guys win. All right. Dropping the car reveal later on today, probably in the next 2 hours on my Instagram. So be on the lookout for that, unless you already know what it is, which some of you already do. All right. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys today. You guys are great. Love you guys to the moon and back. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX. Signing off. Peace and love.